Hey guys, are you also facing the same problem where your system IO account says that your account is locked and you are not able to find any solution for this? If yes, then this is the video for you. Please watch this video quickly and up to the end. It is going to be a very short video where you will exactly know what is the reason behind this, why system IO says that your account is locked out. So, all right, let's get started and let me tell you what is the main reason behind this. I have also faced this few days back, like as you, and many of our community members have also faced the same problem, but none of them were able to exactly get the solution for this. So, first of all, they do not know what is the reason behind this, and then second thing is they do not know what is the solution for this. So, let me tell you exactly, first of all, what is the reason for this. So the very first reason for your account being locked by system IO is number one, there is something which is present inside your funnels that are not allowed. And what is that something? It is something that may contain information which may lack factual information. Like as here you can see in this email, I've got this email from System IO. Here it says that one of my course pages, especially this one, contains information about some ad affiliation products that are no longer allowed on the platform. Okay, these kind of product related affiliate programs which lack factual information or a medical background are no longer permitted on System IO. Consequently, all accounts promoting those specific products are being reviewed and they are often associated with scam practices. So, each and everything which is somehow or anyhow related with the lack of factual information or there is a possibility of doing a scam with those products, then those things are not allowed on System IO in any of your funnels, in your account, in your pages, or inside your community. Whatsoever the product that you are using inside System IO, any feature if you are using, you don't have to use these features which lack factual information or medical background. You cannot upload images related to that, you cannot upload PDF sheets, and you cannot write anything about those products in them because it is being continuously scanned by the team, or you can say the software, which automatically exactly identifies where is the problem. In this case, they already have seen that we are not promoting the product itself, but we were teaching affiliates how to use it. So they already warned us that this program, which program? The program that I was talking about in my lectures to affiliates to promote that product. So that product is not allowed. However, I cannot exactly tell you right now in this video which product was that because that is against the policies and I cannot reveal that. But if you are our community member, then definitely inside my community I will reveal this that which program was that I'm talking about and because of which why our pages got banned and why account get logged. So we were providing only the information for the product and we were not promoting it by yourself. And we also have a good record of staying as long as a long term customer without any issues. So that's why they have unlocked my account. And now they're also recommending us to remove all the content related to those affiliate products, especially those concerning health pills, sugar blockers, or weight loss products. You got it? These are the especially main three things. Number one, health pills. Number two, sugar blockers or weight loss product. Especially, you might have got an idea that these products are somewhere we found on top platforms of these ClickBank and Digistore. Most of these we use these two platforms. Sometimes goods buy goods also. So these two three platforms you have to keep in mind if you are promoting a product. Then this should be other than these three categories like as health, sugar, and weight loss because there are so many possibilities and chances that while promoting affiliates may lack factual information and these are not permitted. So this is something which is blocking your account from being logged. And another reason could be, which might be in very few cases, that you may have tried out various times to log in into your account by entering the wrong email address or wrong password again and again. So that is the second possibility. But main possibility is the number one, which I have already told you, that you might have been using something which is not allowed on system IO. So that's why your account is getting logged. And what is the solution? The solution is either contact the System IO team directly. I will also give you a link where you can directly connect to the support of System IO, where you can just tell them that it has been done by mistake, or you have to send them the screenshot what is the problem that you are facing, and also you have to tell them that what recently have you done in your account, because only because of that they will be exactly identify what is the exact thing that you are trying to do in your account and why your account get logged. So whenever your account get logged, just before that moment, what were you doing in your account? You have to also mention that in the email itself. And also, if possible, keep those screenshots and also embed in that email. I will give you a link where you can contact their team. You can embed the screenshot and can tell your problem so that they can identify the solution and can give you the exact idea why your account got logged and how it should be unlocked. Okay. So I hope it might be a useful video for you. I was facing the same problem, but I did not find any video on YouTube, on Google itself. No solution was there. But when I got this, I have also got the solution, and now it will help many others just like you. So if you know anyone who is facing the same problem of account being logged, then please share this video with them. And yes, if you're coming for the very first time on this channel, then let me tell you, this channel is all about how to make money online, how to create a passive income so that you can create a life of true freedom, where you can achieve time freedom, money freedom, and also of course location freedom too. So make sure you subscribe the channel, press the notification bell icon so that you can also learn affiliate marketing. And along with that, we also teach some things related to the spirituality. So make sure if you are really ready for this, subscribe the channel, press the notification bell icon, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, be happy, and bye. Keep earning while learning. All the best. And bye for now.